Mastering Inseparable Phrasal Verbs. Unlock the secret to fluent English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our exciting series on English grammar fundamentals. In this episode, we are diving into the dynamic world of inseparable phrasal verbs. These are a crucial part of English, and understanding them will take your fluency to the next level. Inseparable phrasal verbs are unique combinations of a verb and preposition or adverb that function together as a single unit. The key feature of these phrasal verbs is that you can't separate the verb from its particle. This means the object, if there is one, always comes after the verb and particle. For example, consider the phrasal verb, to run into, which means, to meet someone unexpectedly. You would say, I ran into my old teacher yesterday, and not, I ran my old teacher into yesterday. To really grasp this concept, it helps to review some common inseparable phrasal verbs. 1. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Example, she looks after her younger brother. 2. Come across, to find or encounter something by chance. Example, I came across this old photo while I was cleaning. 3. Get over, to recover from an illness or disappointment. Example, it took him a long time to get over the flu. Remember, the particles in these phrasal verbs are inseparable from their verbs. Now, let's practice using inseparable phrasal verbs in a sentence. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. Can you create a sentence using the phrasal verb, to run into? 2. How about using, to look after? 3. Finally, can you use, to come across in a sentence? Don't be afraid to pause the video, and think about your answers. Well, there you have it. Today, we explored the world of inseparable phrasal verbs. With a bit of practice, these can become second nature to you, enhancing your English fluency significantly. Remember, the key is to keep practicing and use these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, happy learning.